Let's come to vocabulary building now. Explain the meanings of words that you think may be difficult for the children. Some words and the meanings are being given here. Global, covering the whole world. Alami, dunya bhar ka. Environment, the natural world in which people, animals and plants live. Mahal ke maane mein. Degradation, the process of something being damaged. Massive, extremely large or serious. Deforestation, cutting down or burning the trees. Fossil fuels, fuels such as coal or oil. Tangible, that can be clearly seen to exist. अब tangible का जो उलट है वो intangible है और nouns के बारे में बताया जाता है tangible noun, intangible noun. Grim, very serious, critical, extremely important. Alternative, mutabadil. Toxic, poisonous,